Happy New Year, people. My street went crazy and I don't know why they hang a motor like that. This is beautiful actually. I cannot miss this. I wish I had some fireworks. Oh my god, I think I might have to close down the door. Fine. They're gonna put some fireworks in front of my window. You wanna see? Look at what they're doing there. Oh yeah, those are the people from the Chinese restaurant. Actually. They could have warned me, you know? Is this Chinese people? I have a Chinese restaurant. My fucking god! What the fuck? I'm glad that they closed down the window. Ah, man, the projectiles, they literally crashed into my window. Fucking hell. And now everything is fucking glitter on the floor. It looks like they murdered someone there. What a way to say goodbye to the Year of the Dragon, eh? I'm not opening my window. Definitely. Not with all the Chinese people now. They don't give a shit. Look at those. You know what? I'm happy that my god! Hold on! My other window is not completely closed. Give me a moment. Hey, Quaso. Do you like the fireworks, eh? The Year of the Dragon is almost over. You can enjoy, with this mark here, some fireworks. People, they don't know about health and safety, eh? They're just there. Even with the kids, man. Eh, of course you are getting burned. The tram is just like literally going through the street like nothing is happening. Who's gonna clean all the friggin' that? My god, everything is a mess.